So finally, the giant company is announced the big hiring. Qualcomm just announced the campus hiring 2026 engineering. If you see here, the one more hiring is there 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 batches eligible. But what is this hiring? Because in this video, I'm not going to tell you about one or two. There is 4 mass hiring: Cisco, Harman, Naukri and Qualcomm hiring. So please watch video till end. But before that, you have to watch this video which I already uploaded 26 minutes ago. Iris just announced the mass hiring plus SCL Tech, UPS, Anthology announced the biggest opportunity. Trainee software engineer role is there. Today is the last date. Apply it as soon as possible. But you have to update your resume, and what to add in resume already told you in this video. So watch video till end, like this video, and please subscribe our channel. It hardly take 2 seconds to like this video and to subscribe our channel. So if you see that Qualcomm just announced 26 campus hiring engineering. What is this campus hiring, like on or off campus? What is going on? So please understand one thing: engineering, tech, software engineering role is there, pure IT role is this. So Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Noida location is there. If you see software engineering, you will design, develop software for Qualcomm. It means this is pure IT role. So what you have to put in resume, I am going to tell you. First, understand BE Tech and ME Tech both is eligible in computer science, IT, software engineering. Only IT branches is eligible, and for this hiring 26 and 25 batches eligible. So if you see here what is the required skills, so I want to tell you one thing, that object oriented programming is compulsory, UI software development is compulsory, and if you see one more thing, that communication प्रोटोकॉल स्टैक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, ये प्योर आईटी है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे इंटर बस स्किल्स मिलेंगी, ठीक है, विद आईटी डोमेन्स। एंड इफ यू ऑल्सो सी लिनक्स, यूडीपी, नेटवर्किंग कॉन्सेप्ट, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कॉन्सेप्ट and C++, wireless networking standards such as CDMA. Put these domain in resume and apply it as soon as possible, because this is mobile software development for Windows Mobile and Android or Linux. That's why these type of hardware plus software knowledge is compulsory, because you will develop the mobile software. So you have to put in resume these things. And one more thing, this is Qualcomm is looking for energetic, creative, self-driving engineer. One more thing, 4G, 5G, modern technologies, IoT technologies for connected cameras वगैरह, drones. These are the cutting edge technology they are required, ठीक है। So you have to put all these domain in resume and get the shortlisting mail. So this is big hiring, so please apply it as soon as possible. But one more thing I want to tell you, apply तो कर ही लोगे. So 25, 26 batches eligible. Before clicking on apply now, you have to first update your resume. Already told you what to put, and already told you what to put in resume. And there is a no percentage criteria. You can easily apply it as soon as possible. But today is the last date, so please apply it. So what is this hiring? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 batches eligible, and UG all students is eligible, means all pursuing candidates is eligible. So this is Naukri.com biggest virtual career fair for student. 25 के early career jobs for you, 1-to-1 guidance is there, mentor, AI tools to make job ready, and worth of goodies and rewards up to 5 lakh. I am not eligible because I am not from 25, 26, 27 batch. So this is going on 11 to 15th of March. There is a 5-day career crash course started here, you can easily check. And one more thing want to tell you, registration is valid from 27th of January, career fair live 11th or 15th of March, and goodies announcement will be on 18th of March. So please apply it as soon as possible. One more thing, what is going on, this is the already they are providing you entry level jobs, ठीक है, 25,000 entry level job if you selected in the career fair. And who can participate? BE, BTech, BCA, BCom, BSc, बोथ फाइनल ईयर इज एलिजिबल. 25 अप टू 29 बैचेस एलिजिबल. 26 का बहुत बड़ा हायरिंग हो रहा है. इस करियर फेयर फ्री फॉर स्टूडेंट, एब्सोल्युटली फ्री है, जिसमें इंग्लिश टेस्ट होगा, रेज्यूमे एनहेंसिंग सब कुछ इसमें देखने मिलेगा. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ जॉब्स विल बी देयर, लाइक फ्रेशर जॉब्स विल बी देयर, AI पावर रिकमेंडेशन बेस्ड ऑन कोर्स स्पेशलाइजेशन. सो इज करियर फेयर ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली फुल्ली वर्चुअल करियर फेयर. तो इफ यू स्क्रॉल डाउन, व्हाई शुड a student participate in this? So क्यों करना चाहिए? Already told you. If you having any query, and if you want to know about the main thing, that and our non-engineering students is eligible, both is eligible, tech non-tech both is eligible, ठीक है. सबके लिए जॉब्स है यहाँ पे. 25,000 जॉब्स निकाली गई हैं इस बार. करना कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ यू हैव टू फर्स्ट डू आर रजिस्ट्रेशन. ऑलरेडी 42,000 एनरोल्ड हैं, ठीक है. जाओ, जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है अप्लाई करो. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू वेट फॉर द 11th or 15th of March. You will easily get to see the mail on the 11th of March. Don't worry, just a quick reminder, you have to save the dates also. So apply it as soon as possible, register it as soon as possible. These are the thing you will get to see. ठीक है, इतना कुछ मिल रहा है तो don't miss this hiring. Harman just announced internship and Bangalore location is there. This is an internship with a fixed term. Trainee role is there, salary is there, paid stipend. But if you see BE BTech 11th month of duration is there, immediate joining is preferred. So these are the required skill. Only Python is required. Oops, object oriented and Python only is required. If you know Python, then you can easily get the shortlisting mail. You will do this using Python. And one more thing, यहाँ पर भी देख लो, automation test technique है जिसमें you have to test code writing in Python. ठीक है, so don't wait for anything, just update your resume. This is officially hiring BE BTech 11 month of duration of an internship. This is paid internship, immediate joining is there, only Python is required. If you are putting Python data types, data frameworks like robot is preferred, तो ये कर भी देना, mandatory है. Add plus interpersonal skills. So just these things will give you the shortlisting mail. And these are nice to have. Interpersonal skill plus some tech. This tag is written. You can easily put, क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ें ATS देखता है. जो JD में लिखा है ना, अगर वो तुम मेंशन करते हो तो शॉर्टलिस्टिंग हो जाती है यहाँ पे. So click on apply now and apply it as soon as possible. One more thing, Bangalore location is there. And after internship, you will get to see the full-time opportunity in Harman with 567 LP is the package. Trainee role है, अभी तो apply करो इसके लिए. So Cisco just announced the sales operation analyst trainee non-tech graduate apprenticeship is this. This is for non-tech student. On-site Bangalore location is there. If you see 3-year graduate, all bachelor degrees eligible, BBA, BSc, BCA, 25 batches eligible and provisional degree is compulsory. 12 month, 1 year of an internship is going on and good communication is compulsory. And these are the preferred qualification. These MS Office suite you have to put in resume to get the shortlisting mail. One more thing, you have to enroll as a student in NATS website and have a valid enrolled number issued by NATS. So that's it. इसके बाद कुछ नहीं करना, उसके बाद सीधा असेसमेंट का मेल आ जाएगा. कंप्लीट योर असेसमेंट, कंप्लीट इंटरव्यू, टेक द ऑफर लेटर. बस इतना ही है. और देखा जाए तो मैंने ऑलरेडी तुम्हें BBA, BSc और BCA के लिए ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे ये भी बताया था, क्योंकि इसमें ये वाले जितने हैं ना सारे एलिजिबल हैं, लाइक BCom, BCA, BSc. तो तुम्हारे लिए 2 हायरिंग ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ. अप्लाई करो. 25 ओनली बैचेस एलिजिबल एंड अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे विद दीज डोमेन बिकॉज दिस इज सेल्स ऑपरेशन. तो वर्चुअल सेल हो गया, ठीक है. कोलैबोरेट करना, क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट को देखना पड़ेगा तुमको. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, देखो ChatGPT का भी यूज कर लो. बाकी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इंटरपर्सनल स्किल और MS Office suite only is required. So put all these domain to get the shortlisting mail. Cisco, Harman, Naukri.com and Qualcomm is the mass hiring is going on. Graduates pursuing candidates is eligible. Tech, non-tech both is eligible. Apply it as soon as possible and apply for IRIS, SCL Tech, UPS as soon as possible. Apply it. Like this video. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.